So, how to fix Instagram direct messages not loading in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily. So, the first way to fix it is you have to open the Play Store on your phone and then go to the search bar on the Play Store and search for Instagram like this. Now, if you don't have the latest version of Instagram, it will show you this update option. Click on it to update your Instagram and fix the problem. And that's the first step. The second one is go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to the apps. Right here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram and click here again on force stop. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.